me some pounds, but I don't know what it is.
Guess what? It's my birthday on Thursday. And everybody cares, so yeah.
I would care more if you're doing your work.
No, not that.
You want to bring in cupcakes for enrichment? We could enjoy cupcakes for your birthday.
Somebody bring cupcakes.
Go ahead and turn in the homework sheet. So that's the sheet with just like the dates on it. It's like your problems for April 8th, April 9th, that kind of sheet. So you know what I'm talking about? Go and turn that sheet into the back, and then pull out your homework to check, see if you have any questions. Tonight will be an accuracy check, so now it's a good time to ask questions. Oh my goodness.
I'm bringing cupcakes on what you call it, Thursday.
Eating cupcakes on Thursday?
Yeah, for my birthday. How many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's a
9.
dozen.
Come on, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
10 and 12. Oh, 12.
This one.
No,
Yep,
everybody
that's the
has
one.
to choose.
Turn it in.
Yeah.
Everyday last week.
Turn it in.
I got my
Turn it in. What you got? You didn't do any of it?
Great.
And I think I know one B. I think that's the extra one. It's gonna be righteous. I think that's the extra one. It's gonna be
Put your name on it, turn it in.
What's this? I think that's the extra one he gave me. I think I know one. That did work.
If you got one that didn't work on, turn it in. Once you've turned that sheet in, I want you to look at this homework on Friday and see if you have any questions before the accuracy check tonight.
I didn't take the accuracy check last Thursday.
You're not kidding.
Were you not here?
No.
Okay. We'll figure that out.
Hey, Dylan, you have a pass? You're being late?
I was getting my lovely hair done.
Nice.
You gotta come in here first.
So, are there any questions on these problems before we do the accuracy check tonight?
Can you? I didn't take the understanding. I mean the thingy last Thursday.
I have no clue.
The
what
accuracy
you're
check.
The accuracy
Let's start with
check.
the accuracy check.
Was there an accuracy check last Thursday?
No.
Was
No,
it?
yes, it wasn't an accuracy check.
We were going to do it Friday, wasn't it? And then you changed it.
I was gonna assign an accuracy check that was due today, but then I decided to split the homework up, and so the accuracy
No, like
check
a
is
test.
last.
It was like a test.
We did not have an understanding check. The understanding check got moved.
What are you talking about, math literacy wrong?
We decided to change the.
My forehead is swollen. And it's itching.
Okay, so now that we got all that cleared up, are there any questions on this homework?
No.
Y'all, you have an accuracy check on these types of problems tonight. So for those of us who did not do
Holy
them,
crap,
we
I
at
got
least
that
need to look
right.
over them. Sir?
That's surprising, I got that right.
I never got a literacy for all. What the heck?
We didn't end up.
We're not
We
saying-
didn't do literacy for all.
6.
We changed what we worked on. We explained this on Friday.
Okay, do I turn it in
19.
here or
19?
Above
Is
50.
it like 25 times 3, you get 75, and then you repeat it 1 time by 3?
Yep, that's it.
6.
6, okay. First question we got on this one today. So for 6, we're multiplying 2 by 9 moves, we're gonna distribute, right? So we gotta distribute the 5x to this whole 3x plus 1. So 5x times 3x plus 1.
15x squared.
And then we gotta distribute the -7 also to 3x plus 1. So -7 times 3x plus 1. So there we get 15x squared plus 5x, and then minus 21x minus 7. So then you combine like terms, and you get 15x squared minus 16x minus 7.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Are you
Are you
okay?
back there?
What's wrong with you?
It's funny.
I'm sorry.
I have a question. Why are you wearing your mask below your mouth?
You don't even have to wear it if you
My
want to.
articles come out of my mouth.
My mask below.
Wait, does that make sense how we did number 6?
Yeah? Well, confused on what's happening.
Any other questions other than whatever that is?
I was given
The
B.
articles come out of my mouth. My articles.
And Mr. Is that 32x? Or is that 3?
This is 32x squared. That's what that is. You look confused. Yep, so basically the same way as before, you do 4x times this whole 8x plus 10,
And you got 32 x squared.
32x squared
What's 24 come from?
plus 40x.
Where I
So then
come from.
we do negative 2 times
Oh.
8x plus 10. That gets us minus 16x minus 20. So that's where we get that, the 24. 32x squared, 40 minus 16 is 24, minus 20.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions? Any questions on 13 or 19?
I don't think so.
Think so?
What are you gonna give from everything?
Wait,
Besides that, you should give her a free one.
I write you
I
really
don't
a
think
dollar so I can buy cookies.
So, if we don't have any more questions, we're gonna move into 6.3. Oh, we do?
Ew.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
hold on, I'm gonna copy
Cool.
it.
We're going to 2.3 now?
Yeah, I already passed those out.
I didn't catch you do
Okay,
that.
fine.
Also, you might wanna go in and log into the computers and log into Desmos. You might wanna use that today. So I'm going to do that while I'm going over the objectives for 6.3. So,
Also, make sure you log into Desmos. You cannot save Desmos things unless you're logged in.
yes.
Hey, what do we determine was the best possible thing for Rascal?
18.
I'm
We have
giving
not, we have
feedback.
not finished that yet.
Yeah, I'm giving feedback on the Pascal thing right now, and we'll finish it up tomorrow.
It was on.
Huh?
For feedback, it's not, we're not done yet.
Crazy.
No, yeah, I'm giving feedback.
We'll catch you up.
Last, yeah.
So, 6.3, we're still looking at, we're looking at representing quadratic functions from context, so we gotta context a lot about, we're doing push-ups, so Corel, hope you like this task. Might have to have you participate in this one. And then we're also expressing this quadratic function in both explicit and recursive form. That's really gonna be the focus of, what we hope to accomplish at the end of this task. So, this situation, so Scott was determined to eat right and get in shape. He joined the gym and added push-ups to his daily exercise routine. He started keeping track of the number of push-ups he completed each day in the bar graph below, with day 1 showing he completed 3 push-ups. After 4 days, Scott was certain he could continue his pattern of increasing the number of push-ups for at least a few months. So here they've modeled kind of the push-ups Scott's doing. So like day 1, he did 3 push-ups. Day 2, he did 5, so on and so forth. They're modeling it with these blocks. So for number 1, and our group's going to work on how we can represent this situation with both an explicit and recursive equation. So we want to look at kind of the relationship between these blocks and days and how we can represent it with an equation. So for right now, we're going to work in our groups on just number 1, and once we finish that, we'll talk about it. Are there any questions? No? Alright, go ahead and start working on this in your groups, and if you have any questions, just ask.
It's hot in here.
That would be the first time I've ever heard that.
That's not a question.
I literally like changed it a degree, and it
is warmer in here than usual.
Yeah, I tried to turn it up for students, but like I literally changed it a degree, and it just makes a huge difference.
Yeah, it really does, yeah.
I
I had to
can't
take my
control
jacket
it.
off, I was warm.
If you want to drop it down a degree, I'm cool with that.
No, 2 degrees.
Trust me, you don't want it to turn down.
You don't want that.
Let's see, if you turn it down, she's gonna say it's good.
But I'll
That's
rather
why I
be
said
cold
all
than hot.
degree. Hey y'all, we should be actively talking mathematically and about the task, working with each other to make sure we understand and have and agree.
What is that?
This is breath spray.
So,
Because
what's
I'm
the
quitting
first thing you
gum.
should do?
Because I'm addicted.
I want gum.
No, you can use it with this breath spray though.
No.
Let's do number 1 first.
Alright, number 1, let's go. On task.
This would be it.
You're adding to it.
We're pretty adding by 2. Linear and
Out of the gate, before you know anything, you want them all.
You're adding.
Alright, Devin, what's the first thing we do?
I can't remember, I started this earlier.
Before we know what to do, you want to add